Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to actually export the HTML file into PDF file inside Python, and for this we will be using a third-party package which is xhtml2pdf. So let me just show you the module here. If you just go to the third-party website, and this is actually the module xhtml2pdf. If you search here, you will see this is actually the module. It basically converts the HTML and CSS into directly PDF. The command is very simple. You simply execute this command to install this module. I have already installed it, and the process is very simple. You create the file. You first of all require this package xhtml2pdf. From this package we actually import PISA. After that we open the PDF file here, output PDF, in the write binary mode and as PDF, and here we simply provide the input file here. So this contains this function which is create PDF. So right inside this function it actually takes the first argument as the input index.html file. So this file is present in the same directory, so we are converting this HTML file. If you see, this is our HTML file. We are converting it to the PDF file output.pdf, and the second argument is the destination, which is actually your PDF. So that's all that is needed for this application. So it will actually convert this index.html file to the output PDF. So if I run this script, guys, you will just see, as I run the script, you will see the output PDF file will be created. If I open this file here, you will see all your HTML is successfully converted to PDF. So this was our HTML file. If I show you, this was the HTML file, and this is our PDF file. You can see that these are the headings here. If you see, these are the paragraph, these are tables. So it's successfully converted your HTML to PDF, and the nice thing is that you can even import CSS as well. So right in the file, if I write some custom CSS, I make the paragraph color to be green and heading color to be red. So we are basically writing some custom CSS right here, and once again if I run this, you will see it will convert CSS as well. So you can see that. So heading is in red color, paragraph is in green color. So this is a great package, guys. You can definitely use this package xhtml2pdf for converting your HTML files with CSS into PDF. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.